Hi, welcome to our second session streaming of live view from Facebook streaming and
YouTube.
Yeah. My name is Adrian Garcia.
And my name is Jessica Ho.
Thank you for joining today for our session. Today we'll be talking about 5 new features you didn't know about the new version of NVR3 Corporate.
Let's get started.
Yeah, let's go right ahead into it. So, first feature we're going to talk about, it's called Google Maps integration. The idea is that from here, from our NVR3, you can now actually put the location of the cameras, and in a similar way as you previously did it on eMaps, now you can have Google Maps. So this is our demo site. You can go to nvr3.acti.com and access this with your ACTi Member Center account. So you can still click on any of the cameras. You can even do instant playback directly from here. And then you can also just navigate to any particular location.
So for people who are not that familiar with our software before, we support now with the integration with Google Maps. The setup will be really easy and simple, just to input the GPS location onto the device and the NVR, and everything will be linked and show up on the live view. So the application of this, people at the control center or IT department to locate the camera conveniently by looking at the system from a geographic perspective. People with multi-site across states,
That's right. And you get a lot of different features while using this. You can create preset points on the maps. You can actually do any Google search as with an address on our mobile client.
Exactly.
Which platforms do we support?
Android for now, and we're moving on to iOS platform.
Okay. All right. So that's the first feature we wanted to talk about. Let's move into
Playback page where you can input anything with a URL command. Not URL command, like an IP address. So this provide a instant way of integration with other system on site. For example, any fire system, and you can tie everything into a unified user interface for the user to view multiple systems at once.
That's right. So we have a wide variety of, in our demo site, of predefined vertical maps, like this one right here. So we're directly on our website, so you can access from here. If you want a demo to some of your customers, you can do it this way. Then the other good feature is that basically any kind of website can be linked into this. Next feature, analytics integration.
The analytics integration will integrate with either our camera onboard analytics or our the live view playback of the video stream. You can also get event notification and combine with the event handler from using the detection from these analytics. Right now we support a couple, and you'll be able to see object, unattended object. This will provide a higher level of security for your system.
Right. So we have different analytics that can be used in any vertical market. So they all can be applied. And the idea is that we have a simulator in which you can double click on one of the cameras, in one of the type of the analytics, and then it will simulate what kind of responses you can have. You can have a pop-up map trigger, you can have cameras with embedded analytics, then you can also have more
you have the similar result. So I think the website provides a really good way to help you guys visualize what we can do, tying these analytic metadata and trigger
push video. So this is a special feature that we have actually on our mobile client application. So I'm gonna demo here right now how it works. It's actually very simple. And the idea is that from here I can start streaming video. I'm sorry, let me put this view directly from my mobile client app, which is the ACTi app, into the NVR site. So as you're able to see on the screen, you should be able to just start streaming video, and this video will be recorded on the NVR. So it's a great feature. All right. So you'll see Jessica right here. I'm sorry about the close-up. You still look good, don't worry. So the idea is that from here you can stream everything.
So this basically turn your camera into a portable. Turn your cell phone into a portable camera. It has a lot of great applications around. They can always take out their phone, take a piece of recording, and everything will be sent to the NVR for incident investigation later on. And this really
to introduce today, that's going to be thumbnail search. So this is actually a popular feature among different video management solutions, and now it's also part of the features within ACTi's playback search mechanisms.
Mm-hmm.
Let me bring it up to the screen, and it's going to create different thumbnails for the last 10 minutes. So if I want to do 1 hour, 1 day, I can create a thumbnail, one for each day. And that way, for example, I can narrow down a specific time. Let's say that we want to go into this one. We can then move 6 hours. And I can zoom in and go into the last 30 seconds. So I will be able to see all thumbnails of this last 30 seconds around this particular camera.
These things happen in the morning, so for thumbnail search, it provides a really effective way of zooming down to the detail from a larger time scale. So you can start, for example, from a
So, yeah, basically, let's just summarize what are some of the new features. There's a lot more features in the new NVR3 version, but we decided to go for the first 5 for you to
integration.
Right. Analytic integration. What else?
Right. The third one is the web controller.
Web controller.
And then we introduced the video push from a mobile device.
Right.
And the last one is a thumbnail search from the playback.
On our Facebook platform, we can answer any questions you might have during our session. So yeah, thank you for watching today.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great